Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how you can connect Coinbase to TradingView. Now this is going to be a quick and easy tutorial. I'm going to be showing you guys two ways on how you can do this. So the first method is you want to click here, it says brokers, and you want to search here for Coinbase. Like some countries it will be available, some countries it's not going to be available. Okay, now as you can see here, if you can find here Coinbase, you want to click on open account. If you cannot find it, then here in the search result here in the top left, as you can see, just search here for any currency. Next to it you want to search for Coinbase, for example Bitcoin, USD, Coinbase, and now you will be able to launch the chart here. As you can see, Coinbase, Bitcoin of you, like just click here on launch chart. Now you will be able to analyze the Coinbase cryptocurrency data directly within TradingView. This is like the only way I have found, guys, to do this. So yeah, it may not work for you, but this is like the best way I have found here, is to just search here for the cryptocurrency you want. Next to it, type in Coinbase. Okay, so hopefully this one helped you guys. If it does, leave a like, subscribe to the channel. See you guys next video. Have a good day. Drop a like, this would be highly appreciated.